How to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook app and also make sure that you are logged into your specific account that you would like to deactivate. Now go onto this 3-bar icon on your top right, scroll below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on to Settings. Here you will see Meta Account Center. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll below and under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Here tap on Account Ownership and Control. You will see two options, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. You toggle on the option that says Deactivate, which is temporary, and tap on Continue. Once you do so, simply enter your password and tap on to Continue. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.